Good day mga ka-CRT, welcome again to our channel. In this video, I'm going to present 50 items ECE and ECT MCQ reviewer, focusing on electricity, DC, AC, semiconductor, diode, BJT, FET, amplifier, oscillator, filters, logic circuits, industrial electronics, motors, and generators. I'm going to divide this video lecture in two parts. The first part is for questions only, and after that, the second part will reveal the answers for each questions. So let's begin. Question number 1, the SI unit of electric charge is volt, coulomb, ampere, or farad. Question number 2, a charge of 24 coulomb passes through a conductor in 6 seconds. What is the current? 2 amperes, 4 amperes, 6 amperes, or 12 amperes? Number 3. If a 12-volt source delivers 3 amperes to a load, what is the load resistance? 2 ohms, 3 ohms, 4 ohms, or 36 ohms? So if problem solving yung question, pwede nyo munang i-pause yung video and then solve. Then write your answer kung saan man, kung sa scratch nyo, sa notebook nyo, or kung saang papel ninyo. Okay, then later, checkan nyo yan gamit yung part 2 ng video na to. Question number 4. The power consumed by a 20 ohm resistor carrying 2 ampere is this 20 watts, 40 watts, 80 watts, or 160 watts? Again, pause nyo muna yung video, then solve. Question number 5. Two resistors, 6 ohms and 12 ohms, are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance is 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 8 ohms, or 18 ohms. Question number 6. In a series circuit, which quantity is the same through all components? Voltage, current, power, or resistance? Question number 7. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the algebraic sum of voltages around a closed loop is equal to the source current, equal to 0, always positive, or equal to total resistance. Question number 8. A 10 ohm resistor and 20 ohm resistor are connected in series across 90 volts. The current is, so this pertains to the current of the total circuit. Is this 1 ampere, 2 amperes, 3 amperes, or 9 amperes? Question number 9. A capacitor stores energy mainly in its magnetic field, electric field, chemical field, or thermal field. Question number 10. The energy stored in inductor is given by which formula? 1/2 CB squared, 1/2 Li squared, Vi, or I squared R? Question number 11. For a sinusoidal voltage, the RMS value is equal to 0.707 times the peak value, 1.414 times the peak value, 2 times the peak value, or the peak-to-peak value. Question number 12. The capacitive reactance of a capacitor decreases when frequency decreases, frequency increases, capacitance decreases, or voltage decreases. Question number 13. The inductive reactance of a coil is XL equals 1 over 2 pi FL, XL equals 2 pi FL, XL equals R over F, or XL equals V over I squared. Question number 14. In a purely inductive AC circuit, current leads voltage by 90 degrees, lags voltage by 90 degrees, is in phase with the voltage, or zero. Question number 15. In a purely capacitive AC circuit, current lags voltage by 90 degrees, leads voltage by 90 degrees, is in phase with the voltage, or independent of frequency. Question number 16. Power factor is the cosine of the phase angle between resistance and reactance, voltage and current, power and energy, frequency and period. Question number 17. At resonance in a series RLC circuit, the net reactance is maximum, zero, capacitive or ito yung XC only, inductive or ito yung XL only. Question number 18. A transformer works based on electrostatic induction, mutual induction, photoelectric effect, or thermionic emission. Question number 19. A pure semiconductor without added impurity is called extrinsic semiconductor, intrinsic semiconductor, P-type semiconductor, or N-type semiconductor. Question number 20. The most commonly used semiconductor material is copper, aluminum, mica, or silicon. Question number 21. Adding impurity atoms to a pure semiconductor is called doping, rectification, filtering, or oscillation. Question number 22. Pentavalent impurity atoms are also called acceptor atoms, insulator atoms, neutral atoms, or donor atoms. Question number 23. The majority carriers in an N-type semiconductor are electrons, holes, protons, or ions. Question number 24. The barrier potential of a silicon diode at room temperature is approximately 0.1 volt, 0.3 volt, 0.7 volt, or 1.5 volt. Question number 25. A diode allows current to flow easily when it is open-circuited, short to ground, reverse biased, or forward biased. So we are already halfway sa target nating 50 items. Pwede nyo munang i-check yung mga sagot nyo, double check nyo yung answers nyo from 1 to 25. Then proceed sa question number 26. Question number 26. A Zener diode is commonly used for voltage regulator, current transformer, logic inverter, or photovoltaic cell. Question number 27. A rectifier circuit converts DC to AC, AC to DC, AC to RF, or light to sound. Question number 28. The stage after the rectifier in a basic DC power supply is usually the oscillator, antenna, mixer, or filter. Question number 29. A bipolar junction transistor is primarily a voltage control device, current control device, light control device, or frequency control device. Question number 30. The three terminals of BJT are emitter, base collector, gate, drain source, anode cathode gate, or input output common. Question number 31. For a silicon BJT in normal conduction, VBE is approximately 0.1 volt, 0.3 volt, 0.7 volt, or 2.0 volt. Question number 32. The common emitter current gain of transistor is represented by alpha, beta, gamma, or lambda. Question number 33. If IC or collector current equals 10 milliampere and IB or base current is 100 microampere, the value of beta is 10, 50, 100, or 1000. Question number 34. A field effect transistor is primarily A current controlled device, voltage controlled device, heat controlled device, or optical device. Question number 35. The three basic terminals of FET are emitter base collector, gate source drain, anode cathode grid, or input output ground. Question number 36. A major advantage of a field effect transistor compared with a bipolar junction transistor is its very low input impedance, low voltage rating only, need for high gate current, or its very high input impedance. Question number 37. In an N-channel JFET, the gate-to-source junction is normally forward biased, reverse biased, short-circuited, or open only. Question number 38. The gate of a MOSFET is insulated from the channel by copper oxide, germanium layer, silicon dioxide, or carbon film. Question number 39. An amplifier is a circuit used to increase signal amplitude, wire length, frequency only, or resistance only. Question number 40. The voltage gain of an amplifier is generally defined as B in over B out, P out over B in, I out over B out, or B out over B in. Question number 41. A Class A amplifier conducts for 90 degrees of the input cycle, 180 degrees of the input cycle, 270 degrees of the input cycle, or 360 degrees of the input cycle. Question number 42. An oscillator converts DC power into a steady DC output, an AC waveform, mechanical torque only, or heat only. Question number 43. The Barkhausen criterion requires loop gain magnitude equal to 0, 0.5, 1, or 10. Question number 44. A low-pass filter allows low frequency to pass and attenuates high frequency, high frequencies to pass and attenuates low frequencies, only DC to be blocked, or only noise to be amplified. Question number 45. The cutoff frequency of a simple RC low-pass filter is FC equals 2 pi RC, FC equals 1 over 2 pi RC, FC equals R over C, or FC equals C over R. Question number 46. The output of an AND gate is high only when all inputs are high, any input is high, all inputs are low, inputs are different. Question number 47. An inverter performs which logic gate operation? And, or, not, or none? Question number 48. An SCR is a semiconductor device commonly used for power control, light sensing only, voltage measurement only, or audio storage. Question number 49. A PLC is mainly used in industry for automatic control and sequencing, radio transmission, pure analog amplification, or battery charging only. And for question number 50, our last question, an electric motor converts electrical energy into chemical energy, mechanical energy, light energy only, or stored charge only. Let us now move to part 2, the answers. For question number 1, the answer is letter B, Coulomb. For question number 2, the answer is letter B, 4 amperes. So this is just 24 divided by 6. Question number 3, the answer is 4 ohms. So by Ohm's law, this is just 12 volts divided by 3 amperes. Question number 4, the answer is 80 watts. So for the power formula, you can use I squared R. So 2 squared times 20. Question number 5, the answer is 4 ohms. So this is just parallel. You can try product over sum. So 6 times 12 divided by 18. Question number 6, the answer is B, current. Question number 7, the answer is B, equal to 0. Question number 8, the answer is C, 3 amperes. So you just need to add 10 and 20, so you have 30 ohms. And voltage over the resistance. 90 over 30 ohms is 3 amperes. Question number 9, the answer is B, electric field. Question number 10, the answer is B, 1 over 2 Li squared. So itong 1 over 2, multiplier yan. Kunin nyo muna yung 1 over 2 or 0.5, then multiply nyo sa L, I squared. Question number 11, the answer is letter A, 0.707 times the peak value. Question number 12, answer is B, frequency increases. Question number 13, the answer is letter B, XL equals 2 pi FL. Question number 14, answer is letter B, lags voltage by 90 degrees. Question number 15, answer is B, leads voltage by 90 degrees. Question number 16, answer is B, voltage and current. Question 17, the answer is B, 0. Question 18, the answer is B, mutual induction. Question number 19, the answer is B, intrinsic semiconductor. Question number 20, the answer is D, silicon. Question number 21, the answer is A, doping. Question number 22, the answer is D, donor atoms. Question number 23, the answer is A, electrons. Question number 24, the answer is letter C, 0.7 volt. Question number 25, the answer is D, forward biased. So up to this point, pwede nyo munang i-check yung correct answers nyo. Nakailang score ba kayo up to 25? Naka-line of 2 ba kayo? Line of 1 or single digit up to this point? Okay, so check nyo muna. Let's continue. Question number 26. The answer is letter A, voltage regulator. Question number 27. Answer is B, AC to DC. Question 28. The answer is D, filter. Question 29. The answer is B, current control device. Question 30. The answer is A, emitter, base, and collector. Question number 31. The answer is letter C, 0.7 volt. Question number 32. The answer is letter B, beta. Question number 33. The answer is C, 100. Just divide IC by IB to get the beta. Question number 34. The answer is letter B, voltage control device. Question number 35. The answer is letter B, gate, source, drain. Question number 36. The answer is letter D, very high input impedance. Question 37. The answer is B, reverse bias. Question number 38. The answer is C, silicon dioxide. Question number 39. The answer is letter A, signal amplitude. Question number 40. The answer is letter D, B out over B in. Question 41. The answer is letter D, 360 degrees of the input cycle. Question 42. The answer is letter B, an AC waveform. Question 43. The answer is letter C, 1. Question 44. The answer is letter A, low frequencies to pass and attenuates high frequencies. Question 45. The answer is letter B, Fc equals 1 over 2 pi RC. Question 46. The answer is letter A, all inputs are high. Question 47, the answer is letter C, not operation. Question 48, the answer is letter A, power control. Question 49, the answer is letter A, automatic control and sequencing. And last item, question number 50, the answer is B, mechanical energy. And that's all for now. See you in our next video tutorial.